Imagine this. You step into your bathroom, it smells divine, like lavender and honey. What is that lovely smell? It's your very own homemade soap. Making soap is fun and easy. You can use ingredients you love. You can make your soap smell like anything you want. Homemade soap is better for your skin. It's made with natural ingredients. You know exactly what's in it. No harsh chemicals here. Plus, you can save money by making your own soap. It's a win-win. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients and tools. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Don't worry, it's like baking a cake, but instead of a yummy treat, we get luxurious soap. First, we need lye. Lye is important because it initiates the saponification process, which is essential for soap making. It makes the soap hard and durable, giving it that solid form we all love. We will handle it carefully. Safety first. Always wear protective gear when working with lye to avoid any accidents. We'll also need water, oils like olive oil or coconut oil, and a few other bits and bobs. These oils are crucial as they determine the soap's moisturizing properties and lather quality. Don't forget your safety gear. Gloves and goggles are a must to protect your skin and eyes from any splashes. We'll wear gloves and goggles when handling lye. Safety is most important. Always ensure you're working in a well-ventilated area. We'll also need a good mold for our soap. Molds come in various shapes and sizes, so choose one that suits your preference. A loaf pan works well for beginners. It's easy to use and gives you a nice uniform shape. Now, let's get soaping. With all our supplies ready, we're set to create some beautiful handmade soap. Let's make soap. Soap making is a fun and rewarding hobby that allows you to create personalized natural products for yourself and your loved ones. Today, we'll walk you through the process step by step. First, we mix lye and water. This is a crucial step, so make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and wearing protective gear. This mixture is called lye solution. It's important to label it clearly to avoid any accidents. Be careful. The solution gets very hot, reaching temperatures over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Always handle it with care. Always add lye to water, not the other way around. This prevents dangerous splashes. Remember, safety first. Next, we'll melt our oils. This is where you can get creative with your soap. We can use olive oil, coconut oil, or even luxurious shea butter. Each oil brings its own unique properties to the soap. Each oil makes the soap different. For example, olive oil creates a gentle, moisturizing soap, while coconut oil makes a bubbly, cleansing soap. Olive oil is great for a gentle, moisturizing soap that's perfect for sensitive skin. Coconut oil, on the other hand, makes a bubbly soap that's excellent for cleaning. Now we slowly add the lye solution to the melted oils. Stir it gently to combine the ingredients thoroughly. This is where the magic happens. The mixture will start to thicken as the lye reacts with the oils. The mixture starts to thicken. This process is called saponification, where the oils and lye transform into soap. Pour the thickened mixture into molds and let it set. Section 4. Adding your personal touch colors, scents, and more. Now comes the fun part. This is where you can truly let your creativity shine and make each soap bar uniquely yours. We can add colors and scents to our soap. The possibilities are endless, and you can mix and match to create your own signature blends. Want a lavender soap? Add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender not only smells amazing, but also has calming properties. Want a pink soap? A tiny bit of beetroot powder will do the trick. Beetroot powder is a natural colorant that gives a beautiful pink hue. Pour the soap mixture into the mold. Make sure to do it gently to avoid any air bubbles. We can use a loaf pan, silicone molds, or even cookie cutters. The choice of mold can add a unique shape and design to your soap. Now we wait. The soap needs to harden. This is called curing. Curing allows the soap to fully set and develop its final texture and scent. It takes a few weeks. Patience is key here, as the curing process ensures your soap is safe and ready to use. Enjoy the anticipation. Section 5. Ready, set, soap. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY beauty tutorials. Like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Tips for success and troubleshooting. Making soap is easy, but here are some tips. Be careful with lye. Always wear your safety gear. If your soap is too soft, you might need more lye. If it's too hard, you might need more oil. Making soap is fun and rewarding. You can customize your own soap with lovely colors and scents. So why not give it a go? You'll be amazed at what you can create.